What's happening here? Who be this one?
Yes, you in Kenteka. One B.
Sir?
You wanna learn about we come here, go to my hobby, look man.
That did you. Can I shock you?
It's me, sir.
How far now? Waiting carry you come here now.
Thank you very much for that wonderful question, sir. Me, sir, I don't know what happened. No, I just.
Oh, hey, be a man. A small thing, it happen. No worry. You be good man, you dey try, no worry. Steady, nothing dey happen.
Wait, is that shapes?
Yes, sir. Very fresh one. I want you to break my 40 days and 40 nights fasting. I just finished.
Are you sure, Emmanuel?
Yes, sir.
You know sabi pass food.
So as I was saying, sir, the last thing I remember was that I went to evangelize in Sambisa. So suddenly some guys now came with guns. They started shooting. What happened? That's how as a sharp guy, sir. I just, I ran and I went to hide myself amongst those that they've already shot. Suddenly, somebody said suddenly. Sorry, sir, I think I'm breathing.
This guy thinks say na play we dey play for you. You think say na comedy club it is?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I think that I'm still back there in earth. So as I was saying, sir, so that's how as I, hide under some of those guys that they've already shot. That's how the Oga just came. It was not like any boys. Shoot everybody around again to confirm.
Oh shit.
That's the last thing I remember, sir.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
Oh, hey, the guy they try. The guy they try. He try small. Yeah, they go. They good.
Hey, young man, where do you think you are going?
Heaven, sir.
Nye. See his mouth. Bombastical element. Well, it's true you have been a good and diligent servant.
Yes, sir.
But what you did back there on the war front, that is deceit. And that is a very big lie.
Yes.
Big lie in Yeke. So, my friend, go to Broadway.
Sir, I beg you in God's name. Sorry. I beg you, please help me, sir. Help me.
Now I show for you. Show me 7.5, love.
What?
Sir, actually, I don't have any cash here.
Wait till you gonna get. Hold on 7,000, okay?
Only ATM. Cashless policy.
You know that. What's Angel Malaika? Chance, Bang POS, yes, sir.
Sir, actually, it has expired, sir.
Baba, you serious, sir? We are going to kill with that side.
Sir, no, it's not like that. I didn't come prepared, and I didn't know that settlement something is in this side too.
I think you are hearing.
But sir, it's just white line.
White line, call rainbow line. But when it pass like this, Joe, how you go they come heaven, you know go shame.
Oh my God. So sorry, this side.
Yes, Lucy. Customer in the house.
Baba, you forgive her one chance. She you said one go join now. Go where? If not that one, go to cool down. Next.
This list long, no be small.
Help me.
We want to go me to Wajo. You guys are stressing me out.
Sir, should I come back? Sir, I'm going to. Can I shock you? I'm not even going to. Sir, actually.
Okay, that's expired.